Hello, everybody. This is Jim Cruz from Affiliated Technology Solution. In today's training session, we are going to be reviewing the Attendant Console app. The Attendant Console app exists on every portal, including the basic user portal, the call center agent portal, and the call center supervisor portal. To get to the Attendant Console app, you will go to your app drop-down in your portal, and the app is marked as Attendant Console. When you click on that, it will open up another window for you like this, and this is the Attendant Console. What the Attendant Console is designed for is to help a receptionist or a centralized call answering person to be able to handle multiple calls at one time and to route the calls accordingly. Anybody can actually use the Attendant Console if you choose to. The Attendant Console is actually sorted into three separate columns here. The first column on the left is your call park features, and it will show you the call park lines that are available, including if you wanted to have a personal queue. If you click off on this, it will automatically park at available locations. But if you wanted to be able to select the locations, then turn the dynamic call parking off, and you will be able to park the calls at the location that you wish to park the call at. In the center window, we have contacts, call queues, and auto attendants. On the contacts, what you're going to be able to see is all of the extensions on your system, including their current status. So green dot means the phone is online and available. The red dot is basically the phone is busy. And then there's also going to be gray dots on the system. And if you page down, you'll see those. And the gray dots means that extension is offline. You're also going to see any do not disturbs or anything like that, just like you do in the contacts tab of your main portal. There's also a view of your call queues. When you look at the call queues, this will show all the queues on the system and what the current status is of the queue. So example here, we got 3 agents available in that queue to be able to answer the phone. But if we go down here to one of our test queues or senior support queue, then you're going to notice it says 0 agents available. Well, that either means the user is on the phone or there is nobody currently logged into that queue. So again, it's just a monitor of the queues. Now, over here in this space that's right next to the 3 agents available, if you have nobody available to answer the queue, you will see a red box pop up that says 1 call waiting or 2 calls waiting. So again, this is just a monitor, and these are actual points where you can call or you can log into or transfer calls to as well. The last one is called auto attendants. And again, this is going to show you all your auto attendants, again, giving you a link to be able to transfer calls to. So again, contacts, call queues, and auto attendants. Now also you have a search component here, and you have a site and a department component. You will see some drop downs, which will give you the ability to go to different departments and to see other than all. So if you just wanted to see the support team, all you got to do is click on support, and it will show you the employees that are labeled as support employees. Likewise, if you click on the sales team, then you're going to see the members of the sales team. So again, this gives you the ability to filter and sort by that. You also have a sort capability here for you to be able to go search by first name, last name, if they're online or not, and then even by extension if you wanted to do that. So again, these are all search functions here. And then the first column is your actually where everything begins. This is your make a call column. And if you click on the make a call button, it's going to give you a dial pad here so you can actually dial your phone number as needed. So in most cases, you would dial the 10-digit number just like you would do on a cell phone. So you dial it, you click call, your phone will ring, you pick it up, and it's actually dialing that number for you. The other alternative on the system is to actually go to one of the links in the center. And I'm going to use our ATS test extension here, 555. So if I click on that, it actually pops open another window for me, asking me what do I want to do? Do I want to call the extension? or do I want to go and send a call or send a message directly to the user's voicemail box? If they have multiple devices, you're even going to see where you can select the call that you want to call their work phone, their mobile app, or the home phone as well. So these are all links for you to be able to go to directly. So to make a phone call to one of these, if I wanted to call this 555 extension, I would click on the extension and I click on the extension to call. And again, it's going to ring my phone. And then after it rings my phone, you're going to see this little number down here at the bottom. So again, I'm going to go ahead and answer the call. And then here it's going to give you an active call status. This is the active call that's on the system. And this is exactly what you're going to see if you're receiving an inbound call. So from this active call window, you can go ahead and put the call on hold if you want, and it'll give you a little moniker here that says on hold. To pick up the call, you simply unclick the hold button, and now it's an active call again, and you're connected back to it. If you wanted to transfer the call, you can click on the transfer button, and then again, you notice it flashed green. So you select an extension that you want to be able to transfer the call to. And this gives you the ability to do what's called a blind transfer, an assisted or supervised transfer, or you're able to transfer the call directly to the voicemail box. So if I wanted to do an assisted transfer, obviously if I do a blind transfer, it goes straight to the extension. To do an assisted transfer, you would put the call on hold, and now what you're going to find here is the caller's on hold, and then the person that you dialed the number of is going to be on your line, and you can then announce the transfer and then complete the transfer to that person if they accept the call. So again, by clicking cancel, it goes back to here as well. So again, you have also the capabilities to park a call. So if you click park, it's going to go over here and it's going to ask you to select where you want to park your call. So then it appears like this, where ATS test extension has parked a call from this number at this personal queue. And again, you can select any queue that you want. Now you park the call, that frees up your phone so you're able to make another call or take another call. And then when you're ready to go back to the call and retrieve the call, you simply click retrieve, and then the call goes back to here and basically becomes a connected call back on the system. And then obviously when you're done, you would end the call, and that completes your call and you are now completed. So this active call window is really where most of the activity happens from. But just like you can click on any of the extensions, you can also perform any of these functions to a queue or to an auto attendant, as they are links as well. So it's relatively simple to use your Attendant Console. Just make sure you practice a little bit so you can get comfortable with doing the activity. And again, looking for those big windows, which will help you out. If you have any additional questions or anything else that we can help you with on the Attendant Console, please feel free to reach out and let us know. Otherwise, thank you for your time and good luck with your Attendant Console.